Come to the southern colonies where everything is just peachy. Ding! The colonies in the southern region are Maryland, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia. They are all in the Appalachian Mountain region, the Coastal Plain region, and the Piedmont region.
We have so much land, you could have your own plantation and become rich without breaking a sweat.
Own hundreds of slaves, get rich, and not have to pay them a penny. Now, how does that sound?
Some things you can enjoy in the South are cotton, indigo to make your clothing, and tobacco, so you can have it all day long, something you can't get in England.
And don't worry about your child's education, because even though we don't have many schools, there are lots of options. Your sons can get an apprenticeship and become an artisan, and your daughters can learn how to run the household and be a wife at 15 years old. In the southern colonies, you can be an artisan, farmer, plantation owner, or a woman.
And if you don't have enough money to come here on your own, you can come here as an indentured servant, where you can work without pay for a couple of years in exchange for coming here for free. Afterwards, you can become anything you want, including a wealthy plantation owner.
As you can see, the southern colonies are the best option for everyone. So see you soon!